What's going on, guys? Corey Neese here at Coach Corey3 over on Twitter. Today I'm going to go over my absolutely favorite lead capture page that Power Lead System offers. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to, kind of how to make some different looks with it. So I'm going to click here to the extra website section, and the way you get here again, okay, is websites, and then click here for more choices. Now, to me, this is where the best templates are that Power Lead System offers. These are the capture pages, and here are the bonus sales pages. So in my last video, I talked about how to use sales page 4. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use lead capture page number 2, which is this one. So I'm actually going to click the quick examples real quick that they give you. So that's the first one with the timer, and here's the second one. Okay, wait, are they exactly the same? They might be exactly the same. Wait on. Or maybe one's got a video. I thought one used to have a video. Okay, yeah, here you go. So this one's got a video, a moving video background, and this one's got you want to call it like a static background where it stays the same. Okay, so those are some quick examples. I'll actually pull up, let's see, my current Twitter training capture page. So this is also lead capture page 2, number 2 template. So I'd use this page and variations of it to generate me, I want to say, hundreds of leads, well over 100 leads, probably hundreds. And this has converted to a lot of sales and really helped me grow my business to new levels. So anyway, let's go and actually make this page in real time, and I'll show you really why I love it. So I'm going to copy web pages. I'm going to show you guys why I love this page. It's so easy to use. It's user friendly. It's easy to customize, and it converts. It just works. So I like stuff that works, so that's why I love this page. So you can select email, name an email, or name, phone, and email. I'm gonna go name and email. Maybe you want to build a list with name and email. Click make me a copy. So you can do it like this. Let's do and you can always watch my videos on 2x speed. Go in the bottom, I think, right hand corner, click on 2x speed if you want to watch my content faster. All right, subdomain, lead capture 2 template. Okay, I'm gonna click save changes. I'm gonna leave the background the way it is. I'm gonna edit the text. So here's the text. If you want a countdown timer, you can just basically leave this stuff here, the screen text. Or if you want to remove that, because if you think it's kind of hypey and that's not your thing, you can go in and you can easily take it out. Let's see here, but it's so easy to use. Just copy, delete. Let's backspace it up, and let's put in like some custom text. So I could be like, let me show you how to generate targeted leads online for any business. That could be my headline. I've heard that if you use quotations, it helps with your conversions. It makes it look more legit or professional or something. So just a quick tip. So if I want to make this bigger text, all I gotta do is go to the font size. I can make it much bigger. If I wanted to, customize the coloring, that's easy too. Let's see. Let me make a space. That looks a little bit better. Something like that. If I wanted to highlight this keyword here, this kind of buzzword, I could go here. I can make it any color I want. You can make it like red. How to generate targeted leads online for any business. And then if I wanted to change this button, if I wanted to make that bigger and I wanted to make the text on it different, this is how to do that. Maybe I wanted this one. Secure my spot. I want to make it bigger. I can change the text here. I want to make it big. I want to be very clear. All right. And then I can put in, whatever, maybe a free trial thing here again. All right, just to be quick. And then you can choose if you want that to open in a new tab, new window, same window. I like to do new windows. Click OK. Click OK, and then that's different. So anytime you want to change it, again, click it once, and then click image. All right, click it once, and then click image with your mouse. All right, and if you want to put in a link, you would double click it, and you can put the link in. So if you want to put a link on any buttons for this page, double click it. And that's how that works. You know what? I like that. I like that. And then we're going to check it out. There you go. And you got the, I like how the, oops. All right. So yeah, obviously, I was thinking that this was a sales page. Like that wouldn't make sense. I mean, you could do that. It would be kind of like sneaky or clever, but you don't want that to happen. You actually want to take that out. And because this is a lead capture page, you're supposed to generate leads by getting them to enter their email. So actually, I'm going to take that link out because I just wasn't thinking right. So I'm going to click OK. That's kind of funny. Let's see. Are you sure to close the dialog? Yep. Yep. So let's see. Hopefully that worked. Okay, I got to take that out. You know what? So I'm having trouble taking the link out. So this is a good learning example. So I'm going to click that picture again. I'm going to click it once. I'm just going to change the picture. I could use the same one, but I'm just going to go in there and take it out. I'm going to put in click here to continue because it's a lead capture page. I want to make this thing really pop, really stand out even bigger. So, and this button stands out when you that button stands out when you refresh the page where it pops out like that. So now, okay, that's not supposed to do that anymore. So I got to get that link out somehow. So this is real time, just showing you. Sometimes you're gonna have problems. Target, not set, link, hit OK. Please type the link URL. So okay, so I'm having issues with that. So what I would do, I would delete that button completely. Then I'm gonna leave the cursor there. I'm gonna upload a button. Same deal. If I wanted to change it, I'm going to put in this button, click here to continue, make it bigger again, and let's see if it works this time. There's no link anymore, so it should work this time. So it should work. Let's go to that page. Let's hit refresh. Let's see here. Okay. So I think it should work this time. It's not standing out anymore, but it should work. Okay, no, I messed it up completely. So sometimes that happens. So in this case, normally that doesn't happen. I would go and delete this page completely. So I messed it all up because originally I put in a link. I put in a link here at this button and I messed the button up. So I changed the code that makes it a lead capture page. I'm just going to delete this page. And, obviously like this isn't like, oh, this didn't go according to plan. But I'm just showing you guys in real time how to make the pages, because if you're going to be a customer or you're going to be an online business entrepreneur, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to have mess ups, right? So you got to know how to deal with it, how to move on with it quickly. That's the key. So I totally messed that page up. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to make a whole new page. So I'm going to go to the copy section, scroll down until I get to lead capture 2. I think I passed it. There it is. So lead capture 2. You know what? I'm going with email only this time. And I'm not going to mess it up the same time. So I don't recommend to change the button out on this lead capture because it's kind of like hard coded already. Let's do lead capture 2 template. Lead capture 2 template. Lead capture 2 template. I'm going to click save. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to click edit text. So let's just go down here. So with the button on this one, I don't necessarily I don't recommend messing around with it, but you can still technically change the image. All right, so make sure you don't put a link there. I did that by mistake last time because I just made a sales video or sales page on the last video. So I could, if I wanted to change it to this and then make it a little bit bigger, I could do that, and this should still work. All right, so I didn't put a link in, so I'm not going to mess it up. So I could go back to the same thing, how to get high quality, I don't know, targeted leads or something online. All right. All right. So I can make it smaller a bit if I want it to kind of stand on, like, what would that be? No, I don't like that. I don't like that. That might work. That might work. All right, that's a bit better. I could change this then too. Or, you know, I could just delete that. If I wanted to delete that, delete, backspace. All right, save, and now it should work. So it still pops out. It really pops out at you, and you can enter your email right there. You can click. Okay, so it still didn't work. So this is just a learning experience here. So you want to make sure like the lead capture page works. All right, this is key. When you're making pages like this, test it. So like I was saying, I really recommend take a note on this one. Don't change the button. Don't change the button on lead capture page 2 because it's got a certain code to it where when you change the button out, it no longer works. It doesn't allow it to be a lead capture page. But on sales pages, it's okay to change the button. If you're on a sales page, that's fine to change the button because it's meant to click through and you can put a link in, and that's how it's supposed to work. But with this page, it's just been giving me a problem. And it's funny because I said this is my favorite page, but it can happen with any page if you change something that has a tech thing with it. Like, it's hard to explain. If you change a page that's got like an HTML in the back of it, and then it changes it all out in like the coding and stuff, it can get difficult to work with. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. Make me a copy. All right. I'm leaving the video totally as it is. Let's see here. Same deal. Move quicker with it this time. So don't change. Don't mess with the button. Just leave the button the same because there's certain coding with it in this area. You just don't want to touch this stuff on a regular lead capture page. Don't touch this on lead capture page 2. But this stuff you can easily change. If you want to change this stuff, you can easily change it. Okay? So I'm just going to leave it all the same to be quick and then save changes. And it should work this time around. It should actually work this time around. So, okay, I want to actually point it to a certain domain. Lead capture template 2. Test. I'm going to do the same thing here. I want to point it to domain. I want to make sure that this works. This still is my favorite template. Even though I've had problems, this is my favorite lead capture page template just because it works. I'll leave that the same. I'm going to click review. I'm going to view it here. And the reason I just did that is because the last page, it gave me that I could skip this section. And I want to make sure that it gave me this. I could skip here. So it gave me this different URL. So I know that that's going to go over to something, but I want to make sure that this works here if I put in an email like that. So see, the button is clickable where the mouse changes, and now I can click through and it's going to let me become a lead. And you always got to enter this box stuff here. So, and there you have it. And that's my default sales page that I have in the system. So that's how you use Lead Capture Page 2. Sorry about all the mess ups, but it's good to see the mess ups in real time because you're going to make mistakes with the links and the buttons and the edits, and you just got to keep moving on. Sometimes you're going to make mistakes and it's not worth to revise it. You just want to go in there and you want to delete the page and you want to move on to another page. That's the best way to get the most out of this Power Lead system. So you know you can do this stuff quick. You just want to go in there, you want to delete it, you want to use the right page, you want to do it the right way, and just be quick about it. So I'm going to go in here and edit this real quick, a page we just made to show you, some more of the features we got. So we got background options. I'm just going to click that one so I can change the background up. I can change this text. I can put in, my own custom headline. So I could put like how to make awesome lead capture pages, etc. Something like that. Maybe I want to make it a little bit bigger. So I can go in here, change the size up, same deal. You can change the color, something like that. Maybe I want to make it even bigger, something like that. There you go. There you go. I think I can change this color, I believe, too. Let's see. I'm learning on the fly too, guys. Yep, you can change that too, which is cool if you like the little countdown timer it gives you. Maybe I wanted to make this word blue. I don't know. Something like that. There. Save changes. And it's going to go back to that page, Lead Capture Test 2. And there you have it. You can make any kind of pages like this really quick. And that's exactly how it works. So if I skip, there you go. So I'll see you in the next video. Please, please, please drop me a comment below on what you want to learn about Power Lead System. I will show you how to make any of these pages. I will do any review videos on these certain templates that they give you. I will go on videos and totally mess up like I just did and just keep it going and show you how to fix the mistakes that you make with the pages, because that's part of the business. Like, I'm not perfect, I'm human. I'm gonna make mistakes too. But if you want to use these pages, if you want to create awesome pages like this, and obviously the one I just created, click the link below. Start your 7-day free trial and get involved.